Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study efficiently with artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is transforming how we learn, offering personalized experiences that adapt to your unique needs. Imagine having a dedicated study partner available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. AI can provide instant feedback, summarize complex information, and even create custom practice materials. It's about working smarter, not just harder, to achieve your academic goals with greater ease and effectiveness. Artificial intelligence excels at helping you truly grasp complex content. It can simplify challenging subjects, breaking them down into digestible parts. If you are struggling with a particular concept, AI can pinpoint your knowledge gaps and offer tailored explanations. You can also ask it to provide multiple examples or rephrase information in a way that makes more sense to you, ensuring a deeper understanding. Beyond just understanding, AI is a powerful tool for practice and assessment. It can generate an unlimited number of practice questions, specifically targeting areas where you need improvement. When you make a mistake, AI provides instant, comprehensive feedback, explaining why an answer was wrong. You can even simulate exam conditions with timed tests, helping you build confidence and track your progress over weeks and months. For advanced study techniques, AI offers even more possibilities. It can help you design personalized study schedules, optimizing your time based on your unique learning patterns. Use AI as a brainstorming partner for essays or projects, generating creative ideas and outlines. You can also ask it to explain concepts from 3 or 4 different viewpoints, or even practice your presentation delivery, receiving constructive feedback to refine your skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.